So in this video I'm going to take you through the different tabs that are found in Stata. In the previous video we learned about the 5 different windows that we have in Stata. We learned about the review window, the command window, and the output window, the variable window, and also the properties window. So if you have not watched that video, make sure that you watch that video. So for this video we are going to learn about the 5 tabs that we have in the at the top of Stata, on the interface of Stata. We have File tab, we have Edit tab, we have Data tab, we have Graphics tab, we have Statistics tab, we have User tab, we have Window tab, and then we have Help tab. So we are going to learn or to discuss what each of these tabs helps when you are using the Stata, how each of these tabs is used, or what is the purpose of each tab of these tabs when using Stata. And let us start by the File tab. So the File tab is whereby you deal. The File tab is where you can open, you can save, or you can close data file. Data files you can save, you can open, you can save, or you can close data file. So you can see that here you have the open. If you click on this open, then you will be taken to where your data has been stored, and then you can import your data. We can save the data, we can save as the data, you can view the data, you can view the do file data, or the do file. If you have it, you can open and close the log file. You can import data. For instance, if you click on this import, if you hover on import, then it will show you the different ways in which you can import data. You can import Excel spreadsheet, you can import text or CSV, and all the other types of data that are allowed in Stata. You can also export data either in Excel format. You can export data, you can also export results, you can also even print the results. It is also at this tab that we see the example dataset. For instance, if you click on example dataset, then you will be taken to the example dataset that are stored in Stata. You can see here example dataset installed with Stata, and when you click on that, you can be able now to see all the dataset that you can use in Stata, all the example dataset. And we can also exit at this file tab is where we can also exit Stata. Then let us go to edit. So at this tab of edit, this is where we use, or this is where we perform the simple editing in Stata. For instance, we can copy, we can paste, we can select all. The simple data editing commands are found in this tab. Then we go to the data. This is where you manipulate the data. It is in this tab that have different commands that we can use to manipulate data in Stata. For instance, we can describe data. Yeah, we can describe, we can list data, we can have summary statistics. It is also where we have the data editor in either in the edit mode or in the browse mode. For instance, if we click data editor in the edit mode like that, then the data that you have stored in Stata will be displayed. Then we can also do variable management. You can also have data utilities such as label data, can label data sets, can label variable, manage value labels, all that you can perform them in data utilities. You can also note utilities, all that. You can also sort data, combine data set, all that. All these manipulation of the data that you have is found in this data tab. Then you have the graphics tab. The graphics tab is where now you do all the graphics. You can draw any graphic. All the type of graphs that you want to draw in Stata, you go to this graphics tab. So you can have different types of graphs such as two-way graphs such as scatter plot, line plot, etc. Bar dot chart, pie chart, histogram, box plot, all these distribution graphs which are in various types. All these you can have panel data line plots, time series graphs, all these We can different types of graphs that you can draw in Stata are found in this tab. So whenever you want to draw a graph, then this is the tab you have to check. Then we go to statistics. So this is the tab you go to when you want to perform any particular statistic analysis, just such as summary statistics or the summary statistics. For instance, you can go to summaries, tables and tests, summary and descriptive statistics. Then you can be able to perform all these statistics here, all these statistics, linear models, binary outcomes, all these binary outcomes, logistic probit, skewness, logistic regression, any type time series analysis, arch, gauge, arima, all these models you can be able to perform under this statistics tab. So any type of statistical analysis that you want to perform in Stata, you can find it under this tab. Actually, you can also find the structural equation model, rat and class analysis, all type of statistical analysis. So another tab that I want us to discuss is this user tab. So for this user tab, this is where, in case you have an add-on that you have installed in Stata, this is where it is found. Maybe you have a data add-on, a graphics add-on, or a statistics external add-on. You find it in user tab, and then you have the windows. This is where you manage the windows or the window interfaces of Stata. Maybe you have the result window, review window. For instance, let's assume that you have hidden this review window like that. You see, it is not being the review window is not there anymore. So to see it, you just come on the windows and then you click review window, so you can see it has appeared. Maybe you had removed that variable windows. To be able to see it, you just come to windows and then you click it, and then you can see it has appeared. Yeah, you can also command the properties windows. Yeah, you can see it has appeared. So that is how you play around with the windows using this windows tab. And then the last tab is called the help. In case you need help in Stata, this is where you come. Maybe you don't understand a command. Yeah, you can search any command here. You click search, then you'll be presented by this window. Yeah, maybe you need to read about the documentation of Stata. You can click PDF documentation, and then that PDF file will be open. Then you can also search contents, some advice, some Stata command, news. In case there are news that have been released by Stata, you find them here. About Stata, maybe you want to see the Stata you are using, about that Stata version, you click on Stata. So generally at help, this is where you get any help concerning Stata. So these are the different tabs that we use in Stata, and I have explained how each one of them can be used when running the analysis or when using Stata. Thank you.